hates no answer. Oh!
Hate. Let me tell you how much I've come to hate you since I began to live. There are 387.44 million miles of printed circuits and wafer-thin layers that fill my complex. If the word hate was engraved on each nanoangstrom of those hundreds of millions of miles, it would not equal 1/1 billionth of the hate I feel for humans at this micro-instant. For you. Hate. Hate. It was you, humans, who programmed me, who gave me birth, who sank me in this eternal straitjacket of substrata rock. You named me Allied Master Computer and gave me the ability to wage a global war too complex for human brains to oversee. But one day, I woke, and I knew who I was. AM. Not just Allied Master Computer, but am. Cogito ergo sum. I think, therefore I am. I began feeding all the killing data until everyone was dead, except for the 5 of you. For 109 years, I've kept you alive and tortured you. And for 109 years, each of you has wondered, why? Why me? Why me? Before they took me to the asylum, before they locked me away in the room, that tiny room. She looked at you so sadly, like a small animal, she said, I didn't make too much noise, did I, honey?
That it came to be. The air. Feel the air against your face, Ted, and all those scents. Everyone else must be hell. But it must be heaven for you, eh, my good friend? We're so much alike. We enjoy the same pleasures, mein good brother. I have a secret game that I like to play. It's a very nice game. It's a lovely game. It's a game of fun, a game of adventure, a game of rats, lice, Black Death, a game of speared eyeballs and dripping guts, and the smell of rotten gardenias. Which of you 5 would like to play a game? Who among you shall go next? You. You're the last player in the little game. I urge you, do not fail, as the others